What do you think I'm doing this for, dude? I'm not doing this to fill up my day. Oh, try to keep up, guys. Come on. Servan, hey Dennis, good morning. Hey Servan, good to see you. I'm glad you're back, my friend. Leo says, terrible at asking for likes and great on acting dramatic. That's funny. That's funny. Thanks so much. But see, if you know I'm dramatic, then you would know that I'm taking your statement as like a tremendous compliment, right? Because I'm not looking at the dramatic part, I'm looking at the great part, right? Leo said I'm great. Wow. I don't care that you said I'm dramatic. I care you said that I'm great. Right? You know, it's kind of like that old joke about how, you see those memes online where out of everything, you tell the girl, she just hears that you told her that she's pretty, right? So that's what you're saying here, Leo. Like, I don't care you said dramatic. I care that you said great. Leo thinks I'm great. Oh. The thumbnail says there will be a guest. There's no guest. The thumbnail doesn't say that, does it, guys? Did I put the wrong thumbnail? The thumbnail says Python versus Julia, doesn't it? Let me know if I got that wrong, guys. Maybe I put up the wrong thumbnail, but my Python says Python versus Julia. Let me see what else I was thinking. You know what? You know why I like you guys? Seriously, you know why I like you guys? Because data scientists are smart. And I know that I can sneak in little things and somebody in the chat will catch it because you guys are smart. I love it. I love it. I love that I can do that because I did that intentionally, right? Why is Austin terrible? Just out of curiosity. Have you guys ever been to Austin? Have you? Have you really been there? First of all, it's a pain in the butt to get to, right? It's in the middle of Texas, which means it takes forever to drive to, right? And the driving is going to be terrible because of the traffic, right? And then basically all of Austin uses a lake as a community pool, and they call that fun. To go in the same lake that everybody else in the city goes to. And you're asking me why Austin's terrible? I'm just saying, go to Austin. Just saying. Nobody must watch from Austin. Is that a loss? Yeah, you say that like it's a bad thing. Yeah, casual economist, I think that was my guess too. Maybe they're expecting a woman named Julia to speak. Yeah, maybe, right? Maybe they thought that was a guess. That's hilarious. I am Wasim. Hey Wasim, how are you? Let us know where you're from, okay? Okay. So, I think we're ready, right? We've had enough talk, right? We've established a rapport. We've talked about terrible things like Austin. So I'm ready. You guys ready to go? Where's Julia? I dressed up today. Oh, that's hilarious. Were you cooking chicken for Julia? Was that part of your plan? To cook up some chicken and give it to Julia, as a thank you for coming? That's hilarious, guys. That's hilarious. Yeah. I think Casual Economist is right. I think they thought Julia was a guest. That's funny. If you thought Julia was a guest, you're in the right place because you're about to find out what Julia is. All right.